Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. All right, just a quick little one. I'm heavily into trying to catch up on some knives at the moment. The majority of these are heading over to Dana in the States to be sold over there by our business. It's the only one that's actually in order for someone here in Australia is this one here. And I'll do a quick run through of what I've got here. Okay. That is a Nessmuck. It's got a piece of stabilized black butt as the handle and some copper pins on it. This one, which is, as I said, that's an order. That is what's become known as a Serbian cleaver, made famous by internet outdoor chefs. Elmzen, I think is his name, on YouTube. He uses something similar to this. He's a Serbian guy. It's actually a modified Chinese cleaver, and you often see them on Facebook advertising the cheap versions of these made out of made in Pakistan with basically Chinese bumper bars. They are absolutely useless. This is made out of a piece of stainless steel. So this one has brass fittings and a piece of beefwood is the handle on that one. Again, the same thing, Serbian cleaver. This one, I haven't cleaned it back from where it was heat treated, so I've deliberately left the black on the blade. That is a piece of Moreton Bay fig, which is a nice dark chocolate sort of wood, and copper bolster and pins on it. Okay, here we have a little hunter, and that has a blackwood handle, and that has small brass pins on it. We have here this one and this one, little mini cleavers, which are used as cheese knives. That one has brass pins and a piece of red gum. It's not a stabilized wood, but it is a nice dense little wood. This one has the copper pins and it's a piece of Australian native cypress, which comes up a treat once it's copped a bit of weather and that sort of thing. Ends up with some dark and light spots in it. We have here just a little sort of garden knife, utility knife sort of deal. Again, that's got the Australian native cypress in it with the brass pins. Absolutely delightful little knife, holds easy in the hand. And this one here, another little utility knife. This one's got a thong hole on it. That is again the red gum with the brass pins. All right, so I will touch base with you again over the weekend. It's Friday night now. I'm gonna try and do what I can on these handles, try and get as many as I can shaped without going too late, so I'm not disturbing the girls next door as they sleep. All right, so I will get off this video and jump into shaping some blades, shaping some handles. And a Friday night and everything is rough profiled. Still need to put the small wheel on so I can get into these areas. But we've got the basic shape on all the knives. It's clean back to the steel. And ready to go on to the next step. And now I've got to switch everything off so I'm not too loud for the girls next door so they can sleep. All right, well, we'll see what we get up to tomorrow. All right, folks, Sunday night, Saturday, I ended up cooking all day. And today was pretty much all morning at the church. We had our yearly get together. Thank goodness we could finally have that, barbecue and all that good stuff. And then I had to take care of a rooster that decided to crow this afternoon. So a little bit of late night grinding, just taking them down to 240. So I still need to go. Actually, taking them down to 120. So I still need to go 240 and 400 on the handles. But I cleaned up all the small wheel stuff. So all looking lots prettier now. So the weekend's work's gonna end up rolling into the week, and I shall have to find some time during the week to do a bit of grinding. All right, catch you soon. All right, folks, Monday night, and finally finished what I was looking to do for the weekend. So we have our Australian native cypress. That is some gorgeous looking timber. That one and that one. That one's a piece of just common red gum. That one is a piece of Tasmanian blackwood. Lovely piece of blackbutt. Absolutely gorgeous piece of Moreton Bay fig. And this one is a piece of ironwood. We did have a victim during polishing. The polisher is pretty much the most dangerous tool in the shop. It will take things and throw them away. You can see there's a great big chip out of this one, which really sucks. So I'm gonna have to cut that handle off, remove the glue, and go through and put another handle on that one. But there's a bunch of knives. So all these ones here, no owners, they're heading over to Dana to sell in the States. This one here does have an owner, and I know she is looking forward to getting that one. All right, thank you very much everyone for watching, and bye for now.